Digitalization is the very unique chance you have maybe once in your lifetime to question everything. At the end of the day, it's not a technology question. We talk about a change process, and the change process starts here. How do you win the next generation, which is not only culture-wise following you, but also from technical point of view, that they're able to lead the organization into the next stage. It's my role to build the roadmap to the future in a more and more digitalized world where market changes are coming and customer requirements are changing faster and faster and faster.